All right, today we're going to bring cardboard color cards, and this is perfect if you're going to be in the film industry. You want to make sure you get the right color. So, if you guys ever seen these, they actually have these for movie production or 3D effects. Now, the plastic ones are more expensive, but these are actually made of cardboard, and they are actually coordinated in color configure for movie industry or filming. So they give you the actual gray colors in the front and different various colors, and then if you flip it over, they give you the original color pieces that are supposed to be. So these are actually what I use when I'm filming, and I want to make sure I would capture the right color. But this does reflect with the light. If you guys can see, you could calibrate your cameras with this if you're off with it, but that's what they were using for. Now, when you buy this, you get two of these pieces, and they're made of cardboard. If you guys can see, I'm going to zoom in as much as I can. And of course, you're going to see the little tiny lines that actually look like they're moving, but they're not. They're just different various colors. There's three colors in there. There's blue, red, and I believe it's yellow. And also the colors that it has all around the pattern. So it kind of looks like it's moving, but on the back is more like a grayish area. So in case you're going to coordinate or have certain colors. So this is perfect when I'm doing reviews for any digital cameras and they want to see the effects. I don't have the expensive plastic durable one that they have, but I have two of these. So very simple, thin piece of cardboard, calibrating, ready for you guys to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.